I am BQ English teacher. Today I want to teach you guys about the past perfect continuous tense. So see here, the definition of past perfect continuous tense tells us about the past perfect continuous tense. Have like, see here. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express something that started in the past and continued until another time in the past. It means there is a time showing in the past perfect continuous tense. Some action, something has started and continued until some other thing starts. Okay, structure of this tense is here. Subject plus had been plus first form of the verb or base verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. As we said in the definition that time is necessary, time reference is necessary in the past perfect continuous tense. How like subject plus had been plus first form of the verb or base verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. Now there is time reference. We show time with two ways. If there is exact date, name of the day, name of the week, name of the hour, the o'clock, like 7 o'clock, 3 o'clock, so we use since. If there is name of like year, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, or name of hours, like 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago, or just weeks, like 2 hours, means if there is a noun period of time, we know the starting time, so we use since. If there is unknown starting point of a time, of a year, of a week, so we put far. Simply we can say that since is for noun time and far is for unknown time. See here with examples. First example is I had been waiting for him for 1 hour. Now I am waiting for him for 1 hour. There is 1 hour and here is put. We put here far. So why? Because we know that 1 hour is unknown time. We don't know which 1 hour is I am waiting for him. So that's why I had been waiting for him for 1 hour. The next example, he had been playing chess since. There is since 7 o'clock. Now 7 o'clock is noun time. If there is 8 o'clock or there is 9 o'clock or there is 10 o'clock or there is the end of the day, but still we say and we show, we express some things with our o'clocks if we are talking within 24 hours. If something is within 24 hours, so we say o'clock. Now if he says that chess since 7 o'clock, it means we are talking after 7 o'clock. It's 8, 9, 10 or even. So he had been playing chess since 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock is a noun time. We use since here. 1 hour is unknown time. We put far here. This is the major difference between since and far. For noun time, since. For unknown period of time, there is far. This is the time reference. Now we change the first sentence into interrogative. This is affirmative sentence. I had been waiting for him for 1 hour. Now we change this sentence into interrogative. Interrogative means we are asking someone if I am waiting or not. So we put had. The helping verb before the subject. I is the subject of the sentence because SVO, subject, verb, object. Now subject is the doer of something and verb is action. Some action is going on. The action is waiting. I am waiting it here and for 1 hour. There's an object. Okay, for him. This is it here. Okay, now had I been waiting for him for 1 hour, and there is other example, he had been playing chess since 7 o'clock. Now we change the same sentence into interrogative. If we change this sentence into interrogative, so we put the had before subject. Subject is he, it here. We bring here. Had comes at the start of the sentence and followed by subject. Subject is he. The helping verb will come here to make the sentence interrogative and will be followed again by subject, the he. Had he been playing chess since 7 o'clock? Now we are asking that if he is playing chess since 7 o'clock. Now we will change the same sentences, both of them, into negative. If we change the same affirmative sentence into negative, I had been waiting for him for 1 hour. We say I had not. We put here a not. I had not been waiting for him for 1 hour. We can change the same through the same way the next sentence as well. He had been playing chess since 7 o'clock. We can say he had not been playing chess since 7 o'clock. And we can say that he hadn't. He had not or he hadn't. I had not or I hadn't. Remember, as I told you in the earlier video as well, if you are writing some academic essays, so contractions are not allowed. Or there you can't write hadn't. You will say had not. Okay, one other step there is interrogative negative. If we change the same sentence into interrogative negative, we put the same things. Had comes at the start of the sentence, it here as well, but after bringing the helping verb with the start followed by subject, we put here a not. Had I not been waiting for him for 1 hour, or had he not been playing chess since 7 o'clock. That's the end of this video. Very important, very easy. I tried my best to make you understand easily, but if still there is something unclear for you guys, as I said, this is my WhatsApp number 0322893189. You can contact me if there is any unclearness about this sentence. Thank you very much.